I'm Giles, I'm the gardener here at Derwent Bank and I'm just coming up for 10 years. We're very lucky in the fact that we've got such large gardens as one. Formal garden is entirely south facing and you get protection from the west, from the woodland on that side, and we're protected from the east by the hedge that we've got along that side. So that bit, it's got its own license, it's got a nice little microclimate. Formal garden, I like it to be formal and slightly informal, so you've got the formal laid out beds and then you have almost a cottage garden feel around the outside. You can come up onto the terrace overlooking the lake. Whatever the weather, the light is different, the trees will come up. They've got a big walnut tree here which is at least 300 years old. It does fruit really well, but at the moment, so you've got the daffodils now, we've had the snowdrops, so they've pretty much been and done. We have some later flowering daffodils that are called pheasant eye, so they're a really pale flower with a really nice little orange trumpet in the middle. Then the azaleas will be out, the magnolias will be out, then they'll finish and you get the roses coming through. We'll have the rhododendrons come up late spring. In the greenhouse at the moment I have got some bell peppers, some tomatoes. In the past I have overwintered the dahlias and stuff, so I lift and split the dahlias, they can go in there. Got strawberries as well, I've got a lot of strawberries. They overwinter really well, they're dead easy to grow and they're quite a good cropper, so that's always good to use. Plus we also have wild garlic beds. The garlic is coming up now, so another couple of weeks you'll just smell it growing. I like the bees. We've got 3 active hives there at the moment. Couldn't tell you how many bees there were. There's 3 different sizes of hives. Mid-June to mid-July, it was the best I've ever seen this garden. It was just stunning. I haven't ever seen it that good. But I like the feedback from the guests, because you can have people looking that side, can have people looking that side. Always get feedback from people that are staying on this side. It looks amazing. There is a National Gardening Week. You don't have to have a garden to do it. You can have a small terrace. You can have some pots that will go on a patio. You can just make things green. You can make things colourful. You can attract pollinators. Is the really important thing at the moment, because it just gets more people thinking about what they can do with the space that they do have. The trick is, from my point of view, is to get something that you like the look of, and if it grows, keep growing it, and if it doesn't grow, you just have to do something else. Try, and if it works, keep going with it, and then try other stuff. And you don't have to garden down, you can garden up, you can garden sideways, you can have stuff hanging down, because sustainability is really important to everybody at the moment, as regards to helping the planet and helping everything. People are just repurposing, so pots, tyres, anything that you can grow something in or on, use it.